Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Moddasser, lecturer in chemistry, GPGC Sawali, and you are watching Chemistry with Moddasser. Okay, today we are going to discuss Curtius rearrangement reaction. What is Curtius rearrangement reaction? It is one of the rearrangement reaction in which acid chloride reacts with a sodium azide to form what? To form primary amine. So as far as Curtius or Curtius rearrangement is concerned, keep three things in mind. The first thing that is the acid chloride. When it reacts with the sodium azide, it will form primary amine. Okay, why this reaction is important? Why this rearrangement is important? This rearrangement is important because due to this rearrangement reaction, we can get 100% pure primary amine. Okay, so how this reaction proceeds? How acid chloride reacts with the sodium azide to form primary amine. So let's discuss its mechanism. Its mechanism involved three steps. This whole mechanism actually complete in three steps. In the first step, what is happened? In the first step, acid chloride reacts with the sodium azide to form this thing plus sodium chloride. So how this thing is formed? Look at it. This is your CH3 C double O bond chloride. This is your acid chloride. When it reacts with the sodium azide, so this is an ionic compound. This azide is actually an ion, N3 negative ion. So this N3 negative ion comes here and attack this carbon, and as a result, chloride is removed. So that chloride is actually come here, and this chloride is come here and reacts with this sodium positive, so to form sodium chloride. Okay, so in this step, in the first step, acyl acid chloride, we can also call it acyl chloride. Acyl chloride reacts with the sodium azide to form acyl azide along with sodium chloride. So look at, in the second step, this acyl azide rearranged to form this thing, which is methyl isocyanate. So how this arrangement takes place? This is the most important step. Look at it. This is your okay. Thank you. Look at it. This is your, look at the rearrangement step. This is your CH3. This is your CO, and that is your N double bond. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, and here is also a lone pair of electron along with this nitrogen. So look at this lone pair of electrons comes here, make it a 3 bond. So this bond is shifted toward this side, and this whole group migrate or rearranged from this carbon to the nitrogen. So look at this comes here. So we are making decade. This is your carbon, this is your oxygen, this is your nitrogen, This is your that migratory methyl group, and this is your second nitrogen along with the positive charge, and that is your that is your that is your that is your
third.
that is your what? That is your intermediate. This is your intermediate. So where is this? Here there is a here there is a okay. Now it is okay. Now this intermediate is actually unstable, and why this is unstable? Because look at here, look at here, look at here. Is this bond shifted toward this side? Okay, and that methyl group comes here, so it makes this group unstable, and due to that instability, this bond shifted toward this side, so nitrogen gas is evolved, and we get this thing. Look at C double bond O, C double bond N, and methyl group. These, and why this bond is broken? Due to the instability, because when nitrogen get a positive charge, so it can easily just break that bond and convert those electrons toward itself. Now look at the third step. This is the second step. Methyl isocyanate is formed. Now this methyl isocyanate is being attacked by what? Being attacked by, this is methyl isocyanate. It's being attacked by the H2O, and as a result we can get methylamine. Okay, so how this reaction proceed? ये reaction किस तरह होता है? So let me take you 2 minutes. Look at, this is your, look at this is your oxygen, this is your carbon, this is your double bond nitrogen, and this is your methyl group. Actually water attacked this center. Look at, this is the water, H2O, having 2 lone pair of electrons. This is 1 lone pair, this is second lone pair. So it's come here, attack this carbon, this bond shifted toward this side, so this become negative, and this negative can take easily that hydrogen from it, so we can get this thing. Look at oxygen, double bond, carbon. Now OH remains, okay, and this is the nitrogen along with that H, and that is CH3. In the next step, what happened? This lone pair of electron shift toward this side, this bond shifted toward this side, this become negative, and the negative take that hydrogen, and as a result we can get COO. So this is carbon dioxide, and this bond, that is methyl CH3 NH2. So that is your primary amine. So these are These are the two important steps as far as the 30th rearrangement is concerned. Keep these things in mind. Inshallah, you will be successful in your each and every examination, whether that is competitive or any kind of examination. Thank you very much. Keep watching Chemistry with Moddasser. Thank you very much.